What is video editing? Video editing is the process of manipulating and rearranging video shots to create a new work. Video editing is used to structure and present all video information, including films and television shows, video advertisement, and video production. Video editing can be used for many purposes, such as business, marketing, education, entertainment, and documentation. Video editing is usually considered to be one of the post-production process. Other post-production tasks including titling, color correction, sound mixing, etc. Many people use the term editing to describe all their post-production work, especially in non-professional situations. In this course, we use the word editing to mean any of the following. Number 1, rearranging, adding or removing sections of video clips or audio clips. Number 2, applying color correction, filters, and other enhancements. Number 3, creating transitions between clips. Number 4, adding special effects to spice up the aesthetics of post-video production. The goals of editing. There are many reasons to edit a video, and your editing approach will depend on the desired outcome. Before you begin, you must clearly define your editing goals, which could include any of the following. Number 1, remove unwanted footage. This is the simplest and most common task in editing. Many videos can be dramatically improved by simply getting rid of the flawed or unwanted bits. Number 2, choose the best footage. It is common to shoot far more footage than you actually need and choose only the best material for final edit. Often you will shoot several versions of a shot and choose the best one when editing. Create a flow, which is number 3. Most videos serve a purpose, such as telling a story or providing information. Editing is a crucial step in making sure the video flows in a way which achieves this goal. Number 4, add effects, graphics, music, etc. This is often the wow part of editing. You can improve most videos and have a lot of fun by adding extra elements. Number 5, alter the style, pace, and mood of the video. A good editor will be able to create subtle mood prompts in a video. Techniques such as mood music and visual effects can influence how the audience will react. Number 6, give the video a particular angle. Video can be tailored to support a particular viewpoint, impact a message, or serve an agenda. Different types of video editing. There are 2 main types of video editing. Number 1, linear editing. Number 2, non-linear editing. Let's look at linear editing. In linear editing, video is selectively copied from one tape to another. It requires at least 2 video machines connected together. One acts as a source and the other is the recorder. The basic procedure is quite simple. Place the video to be edited in the source machine and a blank tape in the recorder. Press play on the source machine and record on the recorder. The idea is to record only those parts of the source tape you want to record. In this way, desired footage is copied in the correct order from the original tape to a new tape. The new tape becomes the edited version. This method of editing is called linear because it must be done in a linear fashion, that is, starting with the first shot and working through to the last shot. If the editor changes their mind or notices a mistake, it is almost impossible to go back and re-edit an earlier part of the video. However, with a little practice, linear editing is relatively simple and trouble-free. Linear editing, that is number 2. In this method, video footage is recorded that is captured onto a computer hard drive and then edited using specialized software. Once the editing is complete, the finished product is recorded back to tape or optical disc. Non-linear editing has many significant advantages over linear editing. Most notably is a very flexible method which allows you to make changes to any part of the video at any time. This is why it is called non-linear, because you don't have to edit in a linear fashion. The intricate aspects of non-linear digital video is the array of hardware and software options available. There are also several common video standards which are incompatible with each other, and setting up a robust editing system requires altering different video formats to become compatible. The effort is worth it. Although non-linear editing is more complex to learn than linear, once you have mastered the basics, you will be able to do much more faster. Softwares used in video editing. Non-linear editing systems, NLE, allow video to be edited on computers with specialized software. This process is not destructive to the raw video footage and is done by using programs and awesome softwares. There are tens of software available in the industry. However, the industry leaders are: number 1, DaVinci Scene Resolve; number 2, Avid Media Composer; number 3, Adobe Premiere Pro; number 4, Final Cut Pro; number 5, Camtasia; number 6, Power Director. Now, these softwares possess amazing dimensions in their makeup that a sound video editor can deploy to produce an amazing final work. Ultimately, the capacity to produce first-class work doesn't depend on the software. It boils down to the creative competence of the video editor. In this course, we will focus on Power Director for our training. The reasons are not far-fetched. Number 1, Power Director is easy to use. Number 2, the software is simple to understand when you consider the software interface. Number 3, a video editor can easily manipulate different aspects of the software. Number 4, the file size of Power Director and specifications relative to computer of the student is comparatively small. What this means is that you can use some small dimensions of computer or laptop to accommodate the software compared to the sizes of the others mentioned above. Number 5, the software is cost effective compared to other softwares. Now, video editing is a very powerful course that is in high demand across nations, across cities, and across continents of the world. Today, with the emergence and advent of the social media and all dimensions, videos is becoming fast the mainstay of information dissemination. So the demand for creating information in video format is increasing at a very powerful dimension. What this means is that the demand for video editors is increasing. That is why in the industry of video editing, you have some of the highest paid skilled men across and women across the nations of the world. So anyone who desires to become a highly skilled and lucrative professional video editing is the industry that you should quickly consider joining. So in this course, this is what we'll be concentrating. See you inside the course.